Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can create a new disk partition on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will just be following the step-by-step guide that I will be providing to you. So the first thing we need to do is to go and open the disk management. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and select the disk management option. Now, once you have already opened the disk management window where you can see all your installed disk and their partitions, there you need to identify the drive that you want to shrink. So since I have my only main drive there, the C drive, I will be selecting the C drive. So here, you can also go to your file explorer and then select the disk PC option here. And then once you have already selected this one, to see you will be seeing the current drives that you have there. For example, you have local disk C or local disk D. So choose the drive that you want to shrink to create space for a new partition. So let me just close this one. And here in this window, we need to select the drive that we want to shrink. So I have chosen here the C drive, and here we will be shrinking the volume. So in disk management, or in this window, all you need to do is just to make a right click on this C drive here, or any drive that you want to shrink, and then select the shrink volume option. And once you click this one, it may take a moment to load. So once loaded, you will be seeing an option to shrink the volume. So it is important also to back up your data first before proceeding, as shrinking the volume can potentially cause data loss if done incorrectly. So let's just wait for this to be done. Now, once you're seeing this shrink C option or window, all you need to do is just to create a or enter the amount of space that you want to shrink from the selected drive. So to compute for the amount of space that we need to put in here, all you need to do is just to uh, convert gigabytes to MB. And to do that, if you want, for example, 10 gigabytes, all you need to do is just to compute or multiply 10 gigabytes by 1024, since 1024 is equal to 1 gigabytes. And if you want 10 gigabytes of space, then you will be multiplying the amount of gigabyte that you want to the 1024 value, which is equal to 1 gigabyte, which is the MB that is equal to 1 gigabyte. So here we need to type 1000 or 10,240. This is in MB, which is equal to 10 gigabytes. Now, once you click this one, or once you have typed this one, just please click on shrink, and then we will now allocate space from the selected drive. After this loading process, you will see here an unallocated drive, which is 10 gigabyte space, or almost 10 gigabyte space. So let's just wait for that. As you can see here, we have now 10 gigabytes unallocated space. So we will now be creating a new partition. And to do that, simply make a right click on this unallocated space, click on new simple volume. You will be seeing this wizard here. So just please click on next, and then click on next again. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and then click on the file system. Just choose NTFS, and then click on next again. Click on finish. And here we have a new volume of 10 gigabytes. So this is named as new volume D. And if you want to change the drive letter and paths, all you need to do is just to make a right click on the new volume, click on this change drive letter and paths option here, and then click on this add button. You can select or assign the letter of the following, or assign the following letter to the drive. So you can just choose for the letter if you click on this drop down button here, and then select the letter that you want. After doing this one, just please click on OK, and then click on OK again. You will be seeing this kind of volume in the file explorer. So please open again your file explorer, And if you click on this PC option, you will now be seeing the new volume D that you have just created. And that's how you will create a new disk partition on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye-bye.